Today's video about FastHTML from Answer AI founder Jeremy Howard. It's framework to build full-stack web application using Python. I thought of using GitHub codespaces to build a document chat with FastHTML. Initially, I create a repo AI template, then create a devcontainer file. Second, the PIP feature adds the Python and PIP to my code space environment. Third, I invoke the codespaces. It sets up the required dependencies, and bingo, here I have my Visual Studio Code editor with Python and pip installed. Fourth, I install FastHTML and learn to run the example applications. This application can create HTML, CSS, and JavaScript components. Here you see we can save the data in the canvas. The database is out of the box. This is awesome. The application tracks the changes, and it's immediately visible on the browser. The navigation between the pages is fantastic. Here, in just one line of code, we get the database add to our app. Wow!
Thank you, Ava. Python main.py spins up a simple web application which has a database, navigation, HTML, CSS, JavaScript components. I have gone through the documents and learned how to create a variable, pass to the URL query string, create and manage session and cookies. The codespaces helps us to develop our application without worrying about the development environment. There are port forwards that makes the app accessible from the dev region. I mean, this is wow excellent. Now let's explore a few more examples.
Thank you, Andrew. Now we see an idiomatic fasthml app as per the authors of FastHTML. It has all the components need for an end-to-end web app. From login to create, retrieve, update and delete a to-do list with a database. Currently I have an application tested in Google Colab using Llama Index. We can talk to the document and using Grok, Llama 3 model with tool use or function can use the documents as knowledge. In the next video I will try to build a GUI using FastHTML.